Your M8's intake manifold is plastic, and yeah, it works fine stock, until time and heat take their toll. The plastic OEM manifold can warp and start to leak air, costing you power and efficiency. Plus, it wasn't built to handle the extra heat big-bore motors can make. The S&S 55mm cast aluminium manifold fixes that. CNC-machined, T6 heat-treated, proper high-flow design. You're looking at 3 to 5 horsepower straight away. But the thing is, it's not just for big bores. This is a brilliant upgrade for any Gen 1 M8. Strong, reliable, built to last the life of your bike. Fits most Softails 2018 to 2024 and touring models 2017 to 2024. If you want one for your ride, contact Rollies Speed Shop today.